Here, we will introduce the basics and checks that should be performed when using construction machinery. There are various types of machines used for construction work. Bulldozers are the crawler-type tractors with a blade and a ripper, and is used for crushing hard ground and rocks by pressing, leveling, and ripping. Tractor shovel is a wheel-type tractor with a bucket attached. It is used for loading, transporting, and removing earth and sand from the ground surface. Excavators are mainly suitable for excavation of hard soil below the ground surface, and there are crawler type and wheel type. Machines that compacts, rolls and compresses land and asphalt composites, including road rollers, tie rollers, and vibration rollers. When starting a machine, after confirming the surrounding safety well, make an engine run to an appropriate speed and raise the work apparatus by about 40 centimeters. When going up and down on hills with the machine, go straight as much as possible. There is a risk of falling on an inclined surface, so do not change the direction. Especially be careful when turning to the lower side. Lifting working equipment, such as buckets and blades, raises the machine's center of gravity. Take care, as it is easy for the machine to roll over. Here is a question for you. Compare the top and bottom images. Which operation is safer? The correct answer is in the video below. When turning, change direction by increasing the number of turns. Avoid sudden turns when changing direction. Inspection and maintenance are necessary to operate construction machinery safely and efficiently. Apply a brake and a safety lock during an inspection. If you have no choice but to perform an inspection on a slope, apply the parking brake and use stoppers or blocks. In addition, when lifting blades or buckets to inspect them, be sure to use safety posts for support. In order to check the condition of machines that are used on that day, conduct the pre-work inspection before starting operations and work with no defects. In a pre-work inspection, these items are inspected. When the radiator is hot, be aware that hot water may blow out if the cap is removed. The inspections determined by laws and regulations, that must be carried out after starting an engine are following. Check that the brake pedal free movement is not too much and that a brake works well. Adjust the stroke when the stroke exceeds the specific dimension or when the brake is not effective. Move the main clutch pedal 2 or 3 times and check the play, operating force, and stroke of the lever. If you find any problems, adjust them according to the instruction manual. Check the following items after starting an engine. Check for abnormal noises from the engine. Check that a lift arm, a boom, a bucket, etc. operate smoothly. In this case, check that there are no people in the vicinity and that there are no obstacles before operating the work equipment. After work is completed, lower the work equipment to the ground, apply the parking brake, stop the engine, and park in a safe place. Always turn off the engine before refueling. Do not refuel the machine while the engine is running or if anyone is smoking.